Early trade activities. Patronage from European monarchs. The traders during this period had secured the patronage from the European rulers to undertake voyages to the unknown lands because they considered it as an opportunity to make investments which would earn them high returns in terms of money and land. By supporting these explorers, they could expand their empires by bringing new areas under their political supremacy. Besides this, they also knew that they would be able to earn more wealth through the trading activities in the East. Thus, they provided all kinds of financial and non-financial supports to the explorers and traders. Desire to spread Christianity. The discovery of new lands was looked upon by the Christian missionaries as an opportunity to spread their religion. These missionaries were often supported by European traders and merchants who were also keen to exploit and explored lands, the unexplored lands. Availability of navigational aids. The explorers had an access to number of navigational aids like the mariner's compass, astrolabe, geographical maps, knowledge about the shipbuilding, etc. All of these, it was a use of mariner's compass which was most useful to them. Though it was an ancient Chinese invention, it was put to proper use only in the 15th century. It provided the navigator an idea about the direction in which they were sailing, and this also helped them to navigate properly in the deep oceans. Capture of the city of Constantinople. Europe had enjoyed a flourishing trade and commerce with Asia through Constantinople, the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire, for many years. In 1453, Constantinople fell into the hands of Ottoman Turks, and Europe's trade with the East disrupted because the Turkish rulers did not allow the Europeans to carry out their trade through this route. But since there was a constant demand for the Eastern goods, they could not stop their trading activities, and so they were compelled to find out a new route so that their trade could continue. Thus, all the various factors initiated the process of discovering the new world by the explorers and navigators. Major discoveries. Portugal and Spain had taken the lead in discovering the New World during 15th century. England, France and other European countries had entered later when they witnessed the profitability of geographical discoveries. Portugal. Portugal was the first European country to utilize the opportunity which lay before it in the form of geographical discoveries. The three main aims were God, glory and gold. The Portuguese traders and navigators were blessed to have Prince Henry as their ruler during the 15th century. He had set up a school for the navigators, collected the services of map makers and ship designers, and did everything to help the expeditions. For this, he had earned the title Henry the Navigator. The first exploration which was undertaken was of the west coast of Africa. When many groups of islands were discovered after his death, explorations continued because each expedition had brought in huge amounts of gold, and profits were also made on the slave trade.